2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. This lesson is simple. First is to review the first positioning, which is this is going down and then coming up, and then the second task of this lesson is to connect this first position with the new position, which is this. You see? So let's connect it now smoothly and slowly. Then we go to the practical together. Up. Down. Now we're coming up. Simple. So we'll be connecting the two, and that's why we say it is a series. If you follow one, you'll be able to connect. So now, as usual, let's write it down for easier understanding. Let's write it down. Number 6. Now, we're out of our note. So the top here is not going to be thick, meaning it's in the body of the guitar. So our positioning here will start from, this is fret 2. This is fret 2. Now, being fret 2, we are going to have our first finger here, and then our second finger is here. The first finger here is finger 2, and then finger 3 is here, and then finger 4 is down here. Then our fifth string, this finger is actually finger 1, and then our next finger here is finger 4. It's easier to know because this is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. So any sign that falls here means it's finger 3, finger 2, just like that. So now we have here automatically is finger what? 1. And then we have 4. Then we have our finger 1 again here, finger 3 here. So this is our finger 3. Then, okay, sorry. Here is finger 3. Then we have this, which is finger 2, and then 4. Finger 2, and then finger 4. And this is our second position. So this is what we are playing basically. Tum 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 tum, just like that. So this is what we'll be playing now. So we have this on our screen and we can follow it gently. So we name it 2, 4. If you observe in this second position, we don't have open keys like in the first position. So 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, let's go again. 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, let's go smoothly without calling it now. Now we are coming up. Now, up, down. Now we are coming from down to up. Four, two, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. Okay, let's go. Now we are going to combine the going down and the coming up. And then once we get that, then we now start from down, come up and go back down. Now let's go. You see this beat, it kind of gives it rhythm so that we're in the mood of it. Don't be in a hurry. Just take it slowly till once you get a particular rhythm, then you keep at it. See that? Okay, now we are going to do this. We are going to combine both the going up and coming down in a rhythmatic, form. Just create a music out of it. You want to combine some bass with it, but you are just going. It can help you both in the solo, in your lead, to manipulate it. thing has no particular for now. You're just creating that rhythm, making your fingers flexible, loving the rhythm and everything. Now we are going to go to another stage. Now, this is the combination of the first position and the second positioning. Subscribe so that when you have the third positioning, we'll be able to combine, the first positioning, second positioning, the third positioning. And as we progress that way, you will not miss out anything. So now let's start, since our major focus here is on second positioning, we are going to combine the second positioning and the first positioning slowly to begin with. Boom, 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 boom. This is the second positioning. We'll be combining it now with the first position. This is the second. Wait for it. Now let's combine it with it. Now let's make it a bit faster. Because after some time, it's boring. So you need to like spice it up. Spice it up. Let's try spicing it up. The first position and the second position, we'll try to mix it up and spice it up. Let's see. You see that rest. You see, just combining position 1 and 2, you already have an endless possibility. So do subscribe so that you do not miss out on the third positioning. And as we said, we have 5 positions. This is just 1 and 2. And for the sake of being together as a community, please write comments. Write comments, because it is from your comments that we understand where next to go and how to go, because this channel is to serve you. Don't forget to subscribe and invite a friend to join our community. See you in the next video.